Credit Karma and Experian are two of the most popular tools people use to check their credit and monitor their financial health. But they're actually quite different in what they offer and how they work. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I want to break down the similarities and differences between Credit Karma and Experian so you can decide which one might be right for you. Credit Karma gives you free access to your credit scores from two major credit bureaus, and it updates those scores often so you can track changes over time. It also provides tools like credit recommendations, credit simulators, budgeting features, and personalized product offers based on your credit profile. One of the biggest advantages of Credit Karma is that it's completely free to use and really easy to navigate, whether you're on your phone or a computer. Experian, on the other hand, is one of the three major credit bureaus itself. And with Experian, you can get your FICO score, the score most lenders actually use, either for free through certain promotions or with a paid subscription service. Experian also offers identity theft protection, more detailed credit reports, and alerts when there are significant changes to your credit. Because it's a bureau, the data you see on Experian can sometimes differ from the scores you see on Credit Karma. In terms of accuracy, Credit Karma scores are based on models that are similar to what lenders see, but they're not always the exact scores lenders will use when you apply for a loan or a credit card. Experian's FICO score, especially if you subscribe to their service, is closer to the actual number a lender might check when you apply for a loan or a credit card. Another difference is in features. Credit Karma focuses on being a free financial dashboard with tools for credit building, monitoring, budgeting, and personalized suggestions. Experian's paid services add extra layers like identity theft insurance, dark web monitoring, and more comprehensive reporting. So, which one is better? If you want free and easy credit monitoring with tools to help you understand and improve your financial picture, Credit Karma is a solid choice. If you're applying for loans often, want your FICO score, or need identity protection features, Experian might be worth using alongside Credit Karma. Both services can complement each other, and many people use them together to get a fuller picture of their credit health. If you've tried either service, let me know what your experience was like in the comments below. And if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more honest comparisons and financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.